Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. And first of all, I would like to welcome to the Manila Cathedral the daughters of Virgin Mary Immaculate Sisters. So welcome po to the Manila Cathedral. Is this your pilgrimage? Okay. And also, of course, I would like to welcome Father Joseph once more in celebrating with me in this Mass. By the way, the sisters are from St. James the Great Parish of Ayala, Alabang. But I think that you are nearer or closer to St. Jerome, right? So to St. Jerome Siciliani. St. Jerome Emiliani. My dear sisters and brothers, as I mentioned at the beginning of the Mass, we are celebrating the memorial of Our Lady of Fatima. The Blessed Mother appeared to three children, Francisco and his sister Jacinta and their cousin Lucia. Later, they became saints. Francisco and Jacinta, who died at the young age, 9 and 10, were later beatified and canonized. And now, Sister Lucia, who died several years ago, is now considered servant of God. In due time, she will be beatified and canonized. My question is this: did the Blessed Mother appear to them because they were saints? Because many of the seers, those to whom the Blessed Mother or Jesus appeared, are saints. Saint Catherine Labouré of Miraculous Medal, Saint Bernadette Soubirous of Our Lady of Lourdes, Saint Mary Margaret Alacoque, to whom the Lord of the Sacred Heart appeared. The question is, were they saints before the Blessed Mother or Jesus appeared? Kaya ba sila pinili kasi sila yung mga santo? Or they were drawn to a life of holiness after the experience of seeing the Blessed Mother? They became saints after the experience of the apparition. I tend to believe that it is the second one. Hindi sila pinili dahil sila'y mga banal. Sila'y naging banal dahil sa kanilang karanasang nakita ang mahal na Birhen. Because that experience of seeing Our Lady several times was so dramatic, was so special, that these people, these children, were drawn to live a life of holiness. Ganon siguro talaga. Pag kakaiba ang experience mo, kapag nabago nito, kapag hindi ordinaryo yung naranasan mo, hindi pwedeng pigilan na maapektuhan ka ng iyong karanasan. They became saints because of that special experience, that apparition. My dear sisters and brothers, yes, no one among us here had seen in person the Blessed Mother. Sana wala, kasi baka hallucination lang yan, no? But daily, I would like to remind you, daily, we experience in the Eucharist more than the apparition, more than seeing the Lord, more than seeing the Blessed Mother. The question now is, have we been changed for the better because of that experience of receiving the Lord? In the first reading, it was mentioned that it was in Antioch that the disciples were first called Christians. Now, they are given a name. They are not just simply followers of Christ. They are called Christians. We are all called Christians now, Catholic Christians. The question is, has this experience of being called Christians and becoming Christians changed us for the better? Yun. Palagay ko, yan ang challenge sa atin. Kung paanong ang karanasan na makita ng mga batang ito, ang mahal na Birhen, ay nagpabago ng takbo ng kanilang buhay. Ganon din naman sana ang karanasan natin araw-araw ay maging daan patungo sa pagpupursiging maging banal. That our experience of receiving communion, celebrating the Mass together, may be a way for us to live holy lives. Yun ang challenge. Otherwise, what we do, what we experience is wasted. At kung minsan nga, nagiging pabalat bunga lang. Ipagdasal natin ang bawat isa upang sa karanasan natin araw-araw kung saan tinatanggap natin ang Diyos sa anyo ng tinapay ay maging daan ng ating pagpupursigi na maging banal. Amen.